cold weather is here in Benidorm. It is morning time. It does feel like it's only 12 degrees outside for now at least. And it's early morning. It's 10 right now. And we're here to show you what things can you do if it's slightly chilly outside, if you don't really want to feel like sitting down by the beach, but you still want to explore, want to have a walk here inside of Benidorm without the necessity of heading towards bigger shopping malls, etc. We are in Rincon de Loix, and this is the area full of different types of useful businesses. Some of them are still under construction and been for quite a while. I'm wondering what it's gonna be. Then typical regular bars are starting slowly but surely to open up their doors. Some cafeterias already are serving breakfast early in the morning, freshly pressed orange juice, English breakfast, some snacks, toasts, morning coffee, obviously. And some of the areas here in Rincon where the cafeterias are open do smell like freshly brewed, freshly prepared morning coffee. And here there's one place that you can explore for quite some time, which is the indoor market. We are heading right now through the main entrance. This is one of the entrances, by the way. And there's three of them, I think, where you can access it comfortably. But we're going to the main one. I wonder if they've prepared already for Christmas or not, because we see a lot of places that are already ready for Christmas. The city is decorated for Christmas too, but I wonder if they have any kind of Christmas tree or Christmas decor out there. Let us know, what do you think? Will they have something or not just yet? It's around a week, slightly more left up until December month will hit, but usually by now places start decorating already, as well as a lot of locals. And you can see at night quite a few Christmas lights already on the balconies of Benidorm apartments. This right here on the right side is the main entrance towards the indoor market. This place is very, very famous. They have a lot of typical things that are international, like international food. It's called Indoor Market or Mercaloich Shopping Mall, but people know it popularly as an indoor market. Starting from typical international foods such as homemade pies, international desserts that you all know and love. A lot of British food actually here. There's cakes for birthdays, birthday cards, in general, any kind of cards for celebrations, for birthdays, for weddings, for divorces, just regular like fun ones, not so fun ones. In English, in Spanish, there is clothes, there's accessories, there's even fish spa. I think there's even massages, hairdressers, there is food, a little bit of everything. And this is where the main magic happens. Right on the main entrance, when we go inside, we see the typical businesses that have been here forever. Shoes, accessories, clothes. There's a butcher. This is a typical place where even locals come and purchase some foods. You can find fresh meat. And then on the other side, you also have, not sure if it's good though, like if you keep it all in the same fridge. Technically a little bit separated, but still. Like there's cooked things here. There's hams, there's like elaborated meats, and then there's fresh one. Bags, 10 euros. A lot of the things here are for 10 euros, 15. Not a bad price, honestly. Souvenirs obviously are a thing. Magnets for 1 euro with Benidorm or just like sea signs on them. Typical skyline of Benidorm town. Hairdressing salon and a barber shop right here nearby. These are actually usually very, very cheap, and a lot of people did mention it. If you've tried any of these places, let us know if it's recommended or not. 4 euros for some summer shorts, which is actually a very good price. 15 euros for like bigger travel bags, 7 euros for small ones. I feel like these shops might also go to the Sunday market because all these products, they look like oddly familiar to us. Different types of souvenirs here on the left. And then you also have cakes. Love this place. They have some incredible pastry. Obviously, it's not the most healthy thing, but imagine getting something like this for a birthday. There's cakes. They can be personalized. Different flavors. You can put some toppings for a cake too. And the price isn't that expensive either. Pauline's Pick a Card. This is the gift card, not a gift card, but like typical cards for different special occasions. Very, very nice ones. They have gift bags as well. And it's quite useful, honestly, if you have some special celebration coming up. Hair braids, look at this. Hair braids, even outside of peak summer season, right where you can do your nails, your lashes and eyebrows and pedicure, manicure, whatever you want. All of this is available. Cakes and breakfast options. Look at these toasties. These are really, really cheap. We should try some of these places for breakfast. The shame is that it's not open on Sunday, so we have to go any other days here and then just show it to you on a Sunday. That would be the only option. But hey, there's a lot of places here. Then you have mobile phone shops where you can get some like outside parts for the phone, like cases. And then you can get some SIM cards and prepaid SIM cards. Cafe, bar, tea, coffee, freshly pressed orange juice. That is actually very, very nice. There's a lot of these. And this type of bar, they actually prepare paella and some typical Spanish food here on midday. Money exchange places are also a very, very important part of this market. There's some of the best money exchange places here on the indoor market of Benidorm. And a lot of people are going here to change pounds to euros and vice versa when they travel already back. Some typical British foods right here. Shoe house where they can repair some shoes. Menu for $12.50. Oh wow, that's actually very, very cheap. That's the cheapest menu of Benidorm probably. I've not seen a menu for less than 14 euros, 13.95 here in the area, but 12 euros, I think it's officially the cheapest one. This is a new place. It's a tattoo shop. I've not seen this one before. I'm almost sure it's brand new, or at least it's not been here for a long time. Clothes of different kind, things for the beach, some more souvenirs, one magnet for €1. And then we have way more things here. They actually show which row you're on because I suppose they feel like people might get lost in here. This is an interesting business. What is it? It's like souvenirs, random things, engravings, some more salons like pedicure, manicure, some key rings, engraved key rings, chains. Oh, the money exchange. See, 1.115. This is for today at least. Best rates and no commission, they say. I think Happy Days is one of the best ones. Let us know, where do you exchange money usually when you come here on the holidays? Which one's your favorite place where to do so? I can see some Christmas covers for tables already, but no Christmas decorations so far, which is a shame. Once upon a time, a big souvenir shop is also here nearby. Another money exchange, which has exactly the same money exchange. This one is the euro-pound money exchange. Tony's money exchange, exactly the same rate. I suppose all of them have the same one, since they're all in one single place, so that there wouldn't be like unfair competition. I think they put it on the same exchange rate. But for some reason, people go to the other one, honestly. Sheila's original British money exchange also. There's so many money exchanges here. That is bizarre. Fresh homemade cakes. So look at that. So many nice cafeterias here about and around. There's pies. There's specials for coffee and cake. It is nice. It is nice to see so many different types of businesses out here. Usually these places have been open for a really long time. Some of them have been here for decades. Like these ones, typical sweet shops. Some of the hairdressers, Spanish experience here. This is more like flamenco. This is more like in Sevilla, suitable more than Benidorm, but I like the idea. It's something special. It's nice, colorful pictures. So yeah, why not? If you want to do something interesting, you can get a picture, dress up as Sevillana, and basically have a very fun time and get a memorable picture from your holidays here in Benidorm town. Typical gift places to grab some special gift for someone if you wish. More souvenirs, chains, accessories, jewelry of a kind, and many more options. Name tags, even things with your pet, like if you have any pet, you can search like a similar picture and get it. Sunglasses, clothes, if you forgot something or you couldn't bring something for your holidays here. All of this is available. 18 euros, 10 euros, 12, as you can see. There's a bunch of different stuff, plus the fish spa, obviously. which is right here nearby. You just sit down, you stick your feet in it, and fish just eat like the rests of like dead skin. That's how it's supposed to work. Not personally a fan, but I know a lot of people who like these types of fish spa slash massage thing. And we're exiting through the corner exit, which is located in front of the Hotel Nereo, right next to the KFC. As you could have seen, the indoor market is an incredible place to just discover it, have a walk, see what's out there, especially during cooler, colder mornings in Benidorm town, which will sadly have slightly more of those right now, while heading full speed towards a winter season. But there's still plenty of things to do in Benidorm. Thank you for accompanying us today. Don't forget to subscribe, click a like, and share your experience here in the comments. We'll see you in a brand new video today.